Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's having a good day. So today, the UPS guy has delivered. I've already took it out of the packaging just to see this, but this is a new keyboard for the video editing station. If you can see that one. It is a Keychron K2 V2 version 2, a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. So this is a Bluetooth or cabled keyboard. We're going to have an unboxing on that. This is not a sponsored video. I bought that for my own money, with my own money. Excited about it because on my editing station I have the Apple Magic Keyboard. Had it for a really long time. This came with an iMac. When did I get the iMac? 14, 15? So I've had this thing a good 7 years, maybe 8. Battery life's still great on it. It's still good. The key travel's kind of small on it. But I've been watching everybody on YouTube, and that's probably a fallacy of mine. I should not be doing it. Everybody's moving toward the mechanical keyboards. Now I've got the MX keys and MX Master 3 on the other side. Great keyboard. I mean, it's probably the best I've ever had. The mouse, best I ever had. I will probably replace the one I've got over here with that. I've got the Logitech M720 Triathlon. It's a good mouse, but hear that? Kind of wiggled a little bit. So let's switch over to the other camera. We'll do an unboxing on this guy, and we'll go through all the parameters and switches and what it does really quick and show you what we got. Okay, I was getting my microphone all situated. So in the box, open it up. I already cut the tape. Turn it around here. So we have a user guide. Keychron K2 Bluetooth keyboard. Comes in English and Chinese, Japanese, an Asian language of some sort. Alright. Put that over here. We have the keyboard actually in a bag. This is the version 2. Now, oh goodness, I read that the version 1 was completely flat and it wasn't very comfortable to type on. I've seen a lot of good reviews on this one. It's actually a wedge shape. And there's the wedge. It's got little feet or legs that pop out on the bottom, so it'll put it even more of an angle. It's got a good heft to it. On the end we have USB-C. I'll try to get a close-up of that. That is terribly small. They could have made that bigger. Okay, this is Bluetooth cable. And this is to switch in between macOS and Windows and Android and all that. There's a battery indicator right there that'll light up. I'm trying to get up there. That's a battery indicator right there. So hopefully the battery life is good on this guy. Alright, in this little thing here, we have a really nice braided cable. It has a USB-C on one end with a 90-degree and a USB-A. Here is a key puller. You stick it around the keycap and pop it off there. Here are some extra keys so you can switch it between Mac and Windows. So there's your Escape, Alt, your Windows key, so it's got the command key on it now. There's Alt, and then just your escape. So that'll be good if I ever want to do that. I generally just leave it like it is. All right, that is the unboxing. Very simple. Okay, I'm trying out a 3-camera setup here. So I got my iPhone going through OBS to record the down shot. I got a GoPro Hero 8 over here getting a wide shot. Then I got my Sony in front of me. So this is EV10. So let's do this one right here so we can see what's going on in the whole room. Room looks huge. It's 10 by 10. All right, got this. I'm gonna make sure I'm in Bluetooth mode. You're gonna push it all the way forward, and I think I've got that in where it needs to be. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit FN and 1. So you can do FN and 1 for one device, FN and 2 for your second device, FN and 3 for your third device. So if you got a Logitech device that does that, like this one, it's got a 1, 2, and 3 on it. Same deal. You hold it for 4 seconds, and it's supposed to pair. So let's go to my screen recording. So I got my Triathlon, my Magic Keyboard, my AirPods. Now I'm going to hold FN and 1 for 4 seconds. And there it is, Keychron K2. I'm going to hit connect. And it shows connected. So now if I hit my command and space bar, there's my Spotlight search. Cool, very cool. So now if I hit my, let's see if my volume keys work, my multimedia keys. That works. Cool. I bet it's doing it on the laptop screen, not this one for some reason. Oh, that works. That's expose or whatever. Virtual. I bet it's turning my laptop screen up and down. Okay. All right. Very cool. Got that. So this is not the RGB version of the keyboard, but it does have lighting effects. It has a backlight over the whole thing, and it can do all kind of things. So I should have showed you that while I was over on the other camera. Let's go over here. All right, so the lighting on it. Let me turn off the lights here. Hang on a minute. Anyway, let's give you the full effect here. Okay, so it's here on the right hand side, and you can tell it's got a backlight on it. Turn it off, and then it'll go into an effect. Where's the wiggly one? There it is. There. That's pretty neat. So that's the lighting effects. Now, there's not any software that I've found to tell your battery life. You just have to look here on the end, and I guess it'll show you when look here on the end when it shows you about that. I need to figure that out. You probably have to plug the cable up and it'll show you a red or green light. We'll dig into that. We'll do a long-term view on this and see how it does, see how the battery life is. I may have to have a wrist rest. I don't know. Over on this side of the office, I'm not going to do as much typing. You know, typing out scripts for these videos. I'm starting to do that. May need one, but let's see what it sounds like. Let me pull the microphone down here. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's pull up a That type's pretty good. I like that. All right, that's I like the sound of it. I like the feel. I like the travel of it. That's it reminds me of the old computers. Now, I got my first computer in 1980. It was a Tandy color computer, and the keyboard sounded like that. Then I went to the IBM XTs and ATs, the clones, you know, and they sounded like that. They had with the really long key travels. And then where I worked, we all had these little IBM computers that had really, they were actually louder than that. These are the brown switches, I think, and it's loud, but it's not obnoxiously loud. You can't start typing when you have OBS on and then it'll switch screens on you. It sounds good. It looks good. I hope the battery life's good. We'll do a 2-week on it. See how it is. I'll do a video on switching between Mac and Windows with it. I'll make another video here in a little bit doing that. The layout is good. It's not super big. I'm like on the MX keys from Logitech. I don't know if I can hold both of them up. I'm over here. See how much bigger that is? You know, it's got the 104 key, and it's super thin, but as far as a typing experience, you can't beat it. It's one of the best, but I sit and type all day long every day, so I do a lot of typing. I don't know how fingers are still working. Anyway, that is the Keychron K2V2. We're gonna do some typing on it and check this guy out. But that's it for today. So hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. If y'all like this content, leave me a comment down there, and if you have a mechanical keyboard, let me know. Let me know what brand it is. There's just a blue zillion brands of mechanical keyboards. Let me know. I just seen a lot of people with the Keychrons, and I just went ahead and went with that. A lot of them I couldn't pronounce. But anyway, I hope y'all having a good day and a good weekend. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. Yeah, that might drive me crazy.